Students ages 5 through 18 and grades K through 12 can participate in the competition across the United States and Canada. And we're pleased to also offer this to educators throughout the United States and Canada as well. And this is open to K through 12 in the public, private, and charter school settings. Homeschooled participants can also participate as well. There's absolutely no cost to participate with this program. All you need to do is register online and get started. Teams are comprised of 2 to 4 students. Students can participate in multidisciplinary and educational settings. As long as you have 2 to 4 students, they can join in together with the coach that is linked to the school setting. Sample projects are available at www.exploravision.org. It's absolutely easy to submit your projects online. Simply go to the website at www.exploravision.org and you'll access plenty of resources and information to get your teams registered and to submit online. It's just that simple. The deadline for this year's competition is going to be January the 31st, 2025. Absolutely not. Toshiba and NSTA will not use your information at all. This is your information, and the intellectual property belongs to those that created it. We will promote your innovation online.